Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Tahsin Akbar and you are watching Pakistan Current Affairs. Today we will talk about CJP Justice Asif Khosa suspends COAS General Qamar Bajwa tenure extension notification. CJP Justice Asif Khosa suspends COAS General Qamar Bajwa tenure extension notification. Chief Justice of Pakistan Asif Khosa on Tuesday suspended the government's notification of Army Chief Gen. Qamar Bajwa's tenure extension until the top court's hearing tomorrow. The Chief Justice observed that in QUOT, the summary and approval of Army Chief's extension is not correct in QUOT. The court issued notices to Defense Ministry, Federal Government and Gen. Bajwa, who is due to retire on November 29, Friday. The hearing was adjourned until Wednesday. The Chief Justice today took up a withdrawal application of a petition filed by the Jurists Foundation challenging the extension in Gen. Bajwa's tenure. The top judge, however, rejected the application to withdraw the petition and took it up in public interest under Article 184(3) of the Constitution.